Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're discussing a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: how to prevent gout naturally. Gout is a type of arthritis characterized by intense pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joints, often the big toe. But the good news is that there are natural ways to prevent gout and lead a pain-free life. Before we dive into these tips, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or experiences to share, don't hesitate to do so in the comments below. Now let's dive in. 1. Stay hydrated. One of the key strategies in preventing gout attacks is staying well hydrated. Proper hydration helps flush excess uric acid from your body, which is a primary cause of gout. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider adding lemon to your water for an extra dose of vitamin C, which can help reduce uric acid levels. 2. Maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is essential, as excess body fat can lead to higher uric acid levels. Incorporate a balanced diet and regular exercise into your routine to help shed excess pounds. Weight loss not only lowers your risk of gout but also alleviates pressure on your joints. 3. Limit purine-rich foods. Purines are compounds found in certain foods that can break down into uric acid. To prevent gout naturally, limit your consumption of purine-rich foods like organ meats, red meat, shellfish, and certain types of seafood. Instead, focus on a diet rich in low purine options like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy. 4. Increase fiber intake. Fiber is your friend when it comes to gout prevention. Fiber foods, such as beans, lentils, and whole grains, help your body eliminate uric acid. Additionally, a fiber-rich diet can help lower inflammation, a key factor in gout attacks. 5. Watch your alcohol intake. Alcohol, particularly beer and hard liquor, can increase uric acid levels and trigger gout attacks. If you choose to consume alcohol, do so in moderation and consider opting for lower purine options like wine in limited quantities. 6. Choose low-fat dairy. When it comes to dairy products, opt for low-fat or fat-free varieties. High-fat dairy can contribute to higher uric acid levels. Low-fat dairy options like skim milk, low-fat yogurt, and reduced-fat cheese not only provide essential nutrients but also support gout prevention. 7. Include cherries in your diet. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, have shown promise in reducing gout attacks. They contain compounds that help lower uric acid levels and reduce inflammation. Consider incorporating fresh or frozen cherries, cherry juice, or cherry supplements into your diet. 8. Stay mindful of fructose intake. Excess fructose, often found in sugary beverages and foods sweetened with high fructose corn syrup, can lead to higher uric acid levels. It's wise to limit your consumption of sugary drinks and sweets to prevent gout naturally. Opt for healthier alternatives like water, herbal tea, or naturally sweetened options. 9. Consume vitamin C-rich foods. Vitamin C has been shown to lower uric acid levels in the body. Incorporate foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers, into your daily diet. These not only support your immune system but also aid in gout prevention. 10. Manage stress and get adequate sleep. Stress and inadequate sleep can trigger gout attacks. Practice stress reduction techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Ensure you're getting enough quality sleep each night, as sleep plays a crucial role in overall health and gout prevention. Conclusion. In summary, gout can be a painful and disruptive condition, but you have the power to prevent it naturally. By adopting these lifestyle and dietary changes, such as staying hydrated, maintaining a healthy weight, and making smart food choices, you can significantly reduce your risk of experiencing gout attacks. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Your health is our priority. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's work together towards a pain-free, gout-free life. Thank you for joining us today. Your support keeps us motivated. If you have personal experiences or insights regarding gout prevention, please share them in the comments. Your input might help others. If you want to learn more about how to naturally reduce uric acid, please watch the video on the screen now. Remember, your health matters, so stay proactive, stay informed, and we'll catch you in our next video.